Alright guys, so it's about 7 in the morning. We just packed up the car and everything. It's a bit chilly out, but we're about to head out to the cabin and we're going to do some work, clear out the leaves and everything, and then we're going to do some shooting, so see you guys there. Alright guys, so we are here at the cabin. We're unloading right now. We're going to do some cleaning up, some chores, and hopefully we'll get to some shooting. Alright guys, so today when we shoot, we're gonna just be using the 12 gauge shotgun. We actually left the 22 ammo back at the house, so we're only gonna be using the 12 gauge. Nice. So we just finished shooting and everything, and we are going to grab some stuff, and we're going to try to head out into the woods and make a fire with flint and steel or a lighter or something. And we'll keep you guys updated. Hey, I just wanted to give a little tip to any of you who want to know it. I know this might sound stupid to a lot of you, but if you're ever in the woods and you're out of water, you can take some of this moss and squeeze it out, and so you got lots of water. This is obviously not something you just want to do randomly because you could get sick from it, but if you ever really need it, that's always a good way to get some water.
Alright. I think that I don't like that flint and steel. Oh, that was a big one. Oh. So let's get the ember going, guys. Let's get the ember going. You just want to blow on it like Caden is. Have your tinder already set up and ready to go. Have your protection services ready to go. And you get the fire going. Now your goal is just to keep it alive for as long as possible.
Alright guys, so we've been hiking for probably 10 or 15 minutes. We're northeast from the cabin. The cabin's down that way. And we found a tree stand. So we're gonna keep hiking. I'm gonna go up there. We'll see what it's about. We're probably gonna head over that way, over top of that hill. Titan's down there. Thomas is on that side. Yeah, I think we're gonna head up that way. Been hiking for probably another 20 or 30 minutes. And we came across another tree stand. Oh, that's weird. It's like a road down there. But there's another tree stand right here. Thomas, there's a road and a stream. Oh my God. We just came over the hill. There's a road and a creek. It looks like a road. Just made it down the hill to the stream, and look at this. There's some kind of road. It looks like it hasn't been used in a long time though. It crosses over the stream. I don't know what kind of car could get over that, but look at this. Just a beautiful, beautiful stream. Just really pretty.
Oh my God. What is this, guys? This is like,
dude,
beautiful. Like gigantic car trail.
It
keeps going. It plateaus off and keeps going up.
Dude. We've just been hiking through the woods. We find this little trail. Just checked in with Mr. K back at the cabin. We're gonna keep moving. We saw that plateau We're gonna keep following this trail and we'll see if there's anything else along here.